Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we explore one of the most challenging sounds in English, the R sound. You will learn how Americans and British people pronounce this sound differently and understand when and how to use each pronunciation. The R sound is a single consonant that has two major pronunciation styles in English. American English uses a strong R sound in all positions of words. British English uses a soft R sound, and it is often silent at the end of words. Understanding both styles helps you communicate better with people from different English-speaking countries. American R has four main characteristics. First, rhoticity means the R is always pronounced clearly and strongly in every position of a word. Second, the tongue curls back without touching the roof of the mouth. Third, it produces a deep retroflex sound with rounded lips. Fourth, the R is pronounced at the beginning, middle, and end of all words. Let us look at examples of the American R in different positions. In initial position, the word red has a strong R at the start. In medial position, the word very has a clear R in the middle. In final position, the word car has a pronounced R at the end. All three positions use the same strong R sound. British R has four main characteristics. First, non-rhoticity means the R is silent at the end of words or before consonants. Second, the tongue stays flat, creating a softer vowel sound instead. Third, linking R appears only when followed by a vowel sound. Fourth, the final R becomes an elongated vowel sound rather than a consonant sound. Let us look at examples of the British R in different positions. In initial position, the word red has the R pronounced because it is at the start. In medial position, the word very has the R pronounced because it comes before a vowel. In final position, the word car has the R silent, and the vowel sound becomes longer. Here is a comparison of American and British R in initial position. Both pronunciations have the R in final position. American R is strong and clear, while British R is silent and the vowel lengthens. Before consonants, American R is fully pronounced, but British R is usually silent. The main difference is tongue position. American R has a curled back retroflex tongue, while British R has a flat and relaxed tongue. American English has regional variations of the R sound. In the Southern drawl, the R is longer and smoother with more vowel glide. In New York and Boston accents, the R is tenser and more forward. In California, the R is relaxed with a bunched tongue position. In the Midwest, the R is clear and follows the standard rhotic pattern. These variations show that even within American English, the R can sound different. British English also has regional variations of the R sound. Received pronunciation uses the classic non-rhotic R with smooth vowels. Scottish English has a rhotic R that is rolled or trilled. Irish English has a rhotic R with a tap or flap sound. The West Country accent has stronger linking R. These variations show that British R is not always silent, depending on the region. To practice the American R, curl your tongue back without touching the roof of your mouth, keep your lips rounded, and practice words like car, far, and star daily. To practice the British R, keep your tongue flat and relaxed, lengthen the vowel in the final position, and practice words like car and park as smooth vowels. For daily drills, use a mirror to check your tongue position, record yourself and compare with native speakers, and practice 5 minutes each morning and evening. For listening practice, watch American and British shows, shadow native speakers, and focus on R contexts. Here are common mistakes to avoid. For American R, do not let your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. Instead, curl it back freely. Do not make your lips too tight. Keep them relaxed and rounded. For British R, do not pronounce the final R. Instead, make a smooth vowel only. Do not raise your tongue too high. Keep it flat. Another mistake is mixing styles, using American R in British words or British silence in American words. Always match the accent consistently. Finally, avoid rushing when you speak, because speaking too fast hides the differences between the sounds. Start with slow practice to build muscle memory. Remember these key points. The R sound is one sound with two distinct pronunciations based on accent. Choose your accent and master one consistently first before trying to switch between them. Native speakers appreciate your effort much more than perfect execution. Keep practicing regularly, and you will see improvement in your pronunciation. Thank you for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.